Flux Kontext Pro. This changes everything for AI images. What is up, everybody? It's your boy D29, back with another absolutely insane video. And trust me, you are not going to want to miss this one. Today we're diving headfirst into something that's genuinely blowing my mind. It's called Flux Kontext Pro. And let me tell you, this isn't just another image tool, it's a monumental leap forward in the world of image modeling. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's jump into the future of image creation with Flux Kontext Pro. Alright, let's kick things off by really getting into what Flux Kontext Pro is all about. Imagine the AI image generators you've seen so far. Pretty cool, right? Well, Flux Kontext Pro takes all that and cranks it up to 11. It's like a whole new generation of AI. Stunningly accurate and creative results. From basic sketch to digital art master overnight. Context means richer understanding of context. It interprets language and visual information, like GPT-4 but for visual requests. Incredible fidelity in bringing ideas to life. A massive step towards AI collaboration. Get ready to have your mind blown. Now, before we dive into the really juicy stuff, it's important to know that Flux Kontext Pro isn't just a single, one-size-fits-all tool. It actually comes as part of a suite, a family of models, each tailored for slightly different needs or levels of complexity. We've got Flux Kontext Pro, which is what we'll be focusing on mostly today. Think of this as the powerhouse for most high-quality generation and editing tasks. Then there's Flux Kontext Max, and finally there's Flux Kontext Dev. For our purposes today, Flux Kontext Pro is going to give us more than enough firepower to showcase just how revolutionary this whole system is. Let's dive into the magic of text-to-image generation with Flux Kontext Pro. Type a description and watch it come to life. The quality is top-tier, detailed and artistic. It's like a direct line from your imagination to a digital canvas. The speed and quality are a massive leap forward. Okay, so we've seen Flux Kontext Pro can generate awesome images from text, but now let's talk about something that really sets it apart. Its incredible proficiency in recognizing and replicating specific artistic styles. This isn't just about adding a simple filter. This is about the AI understanding the fundamental characteristics of an art style and applying them with nuance and detail. When you ask for an oil painting, you don't just get a picture that vaguely looks like one. You get visible brush strokes, the texture of the paint on canvas, the way light interacts with the oils. It's incredibly convincing. The precision with which it handles details like brushstrokes and textures is something you really have to see to believe. Now, this next feature is where things get interactive and honestly kind of futuristic. It's called Chat to Edit, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You can literally chat with the AI to refine your image. How insane is that? It's like having a Photoshop expert on call. This iterative approach is a game changer. We're going to test this out with a few examples. Seeing this in action is really something else. Alright guys, this next one is huge, especially for anyone interested in storytelling, creating comics, or any kind of narrative visual content. We're talking about character consistency across different scenes and poses. This has been a massive challenge for AI image generators in the past. You'd create a cool character, then try to put them in a new scene, and suddenly they look like a completely different person. It was super frustrating, but Flux Kontext Pro seems to have made some serious strides here. The model demonstrates a remarkable ability to maintain a character's key features, their face, hair, body type, and even their clothing, as you move them through various scenarios or change their pose. This is absolutely critical if you want to create a believable and continuous story. Flux Kontext Pro is smart, but not a mind reader. Clear, detailed prompts are crucial for precise edits. Specificity ensures the AI understands your exact needs. For example, specify a single white ceramic coffee cup on a wooden table. Good input leads to good output. Get ready for another mind-bending capability of Flux Kontext Pro style transfer. Take the artistic style from one image and apply it to another, preserving the core content and composition. Imagine transforming a regular photo into a retro video game or a famous painting. It's incredibly powerful for creative expression. Think about those iconic, slightly pixelated, distinct color palettes from classic PS1 or PS2 games. Flux Kontext Pro can analyze that style and repaint your image to match. We're definitely going to try this out. Okay, so we've talked about character consistency for a single character, which is already a huge deal. But what happens when you have a scene with multiple characters? How does Flux Kontext Pro handle editing those more complex scenarios? This is where things can get really tricky for AI, trying to keep track of who's who, what they're wearing, and their individual features, especially when you start making changes to the scene or their poses. Well, the good news is that Flux Kontext Pro is designed to tackle this challenge as well. The principles of good prompting and iterative editing become even more crucial here. Maintaining that individuality within a group setting is key. Alright, let's shift gears a bit and look at a really practical and commercially relevant application of Flux Kontext Pro product placement and logo integration. For anyone in marketing, branding, or e-commerce, this is an incredibly exciting development. Imagine being able to quickly and realistically place your company's logo or product onto various items within an image, without needing complex photo editing software or a professional photo shoot for every single variation. Flux Kontext Pro shows the ability to take a logo and intelligently place it onto different surfaces, like t-shirts, soda bottles, bags, or pretty much any product you can imagine. And it's not just slapping a flat image on top. The AI tries to account for the texture of the material, the curves of the object, the lighting, and the perspective, making the integration look much more natural and believable. The potential time and cost savings here for businesses are massive. Now, as amazing and advanced as Flux Kontext Pro is, it's important to remember that AI, especially in the creative realm, isn't always going to hit a home run on the very first try, particularly with really complex edits or unusual requests. Sometimes you might get outputs that are a little bit off. Maybe an object is way too big or too small, an element looks a bit deformed, or the AI misinterprets a part of your prompt in a funny way. This is a normal part of working with generative AI. The key is not to get discouraged when these little hiccups happen. It's all part of the creative journey, and often those little imperfections can even lead to unexpected and cool results if you're open to them. Let's dive into how Flux Kontext Pro maintains intricate outfit details, especially in varied environments. It's not just about a blue shirt, but preserving patterns, textures, and accessories. Even with changing backgrounds and lighting, Flux Kontext Pro adapts without losing crucial details. Flux Kontext Pro is now available on OpenArt. Access this incredible technology through the OpenArt platform. OpenArt offers a variety of AI art tools and a vibrant community. Explore Flux Kontext Pro and bring your wild ideas to life. Now, as we've seen, Flux Kontext Pro is a massive leap forward, but the innovation doesn't stop there. The team is looking towards the future with the Flux Kontext Dev model. It's designed for developers and researchers, offering more control and API access. Stay tuned for more updates and a comprehensive guide soon. The future is bright for the Flux Kontext family. Alright guys, we've covered a ton of ground today, diving deep into the incredible world of Flux Kontext Pro. From its mind-blowing text-to-image generation that supports super detailed prompts, to its uncanny ability to recognize and replicate complex artistic styles like oil paintings and alcohol ink, this thing is just on another level. The quality and fidelity are genuinely game-changing, pushing the boundaries of what we thought AI image models were capable of achieving. Then there's the revolutionary chat-to-edit feature, which feels like you're having a conversation with a creative assistant, making iterative changes and refining your images with simple text commands. Flux Kontext Pro isn't just an update, it's a paradigm shift in how we can create, edit, and interact with visual media. It truly empowers creativity in ways we're only just beginning to explore, making sophisticated image modeling more intuitive and powerful than ever before. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into Flux Kontext Pro And honestly, I'm still buzzing from how incredibly powerful this tool is. We've seen it create stunning visuals from text, nail complex artistic styles, and even let us chat our way to the perfect edit. This is the kind of technology that truly democratizes creativity and opens up a universe of possibilities for artists, designers, content creators, and anyone with an imagination. Thanks so much for watching. Stay awesome. Subscribe for more epic content, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.